Hello everyone, I am Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Swalkuchi, Assam. We hand weave the beautiful and the authentic Assam silk saris to Assam silk mekhela sadar, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sadar. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase two absolutely amazingly handwoven Assam Toss silk. Now, Toss silk means Assam Tassa. Now, when we say Assam Tasser is unlike of the Bengal Tasser. A lot of inquiries come to us stating we want tassa which is very thin, or many people even say us that we do not want the thin texture that we usually get in the market. I always tell them that the Assam tassa, that is homegrown tassa of Assam, is not thin. It has a very thick fiber. Hence, the texture of Assam tassa is never thick, is never thin. Sorry, it is usually thick. So please be mindful and please keep in note that Assam tassas are not thin, they're not transparent, they're of one of the best quality tassa that India produces. This is the first Assam tassar silk sari of the video. A beautiful Assam tassar silk sari crafted with golden zari and black color yarn all over. Now, once I begin showcasing you the design and the lovely craftsmanship, first I would like to show you the texture of Assam Tassar. As I've already mentioned, our Assam Tassars are not thin. Rather, it has got thick fiber. Once I put up the sari, you can see, I hope you can make out that it is not transparent in nature. It has got a thick texture and a wonderful fall you get out of this saris. Beautiful fall. And our tassars are generally beige in color. Prefer to we do not prefer to dye our tassars. We like to keep it natural. We want to keep it the way it is. Now, coming to the design motif. As you must have seen the design motif of the Achal, it is the most loved and the most popular design motif of Assam handloom. It is the gauze buta crafted with golden zari and black color yarn. I'll give you a closer glimpse of the Achal, how lovely it is and how intricately it has been crafted by our weaver. You can see. And the entire body has got golden zari and black color yarn all over it. The butas done on the body are the gauze butas. This is absolutely classic, a old school. It's a old school love that I feel any handloom lover should fall in love with. Now, as I go to the inner side of the sari, you will notice the distance of the butas are placed far off from each other. And as I unfold, I hope you can also understand the texture, the shine, and the quality of tassa that Sari Mantra offers. We do not offer or we do not work on the cheap quality or the low quality tassas that those are available. We always and always, as we promise, to bring up the best of Assam handloom, and so it is. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has got this border portion, which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now, speaking for the border is again a vintage design motif. Look at this border. These borders, primarily in the olden days, those borders were done on muga. Now, slowly and gradually, these borders designs have been started. We have started to weave it on tassars also. A very vintage design motif. The border has been woven and then stitched over the sari. Look at the neatness and the precision with which this has been crafted. The entire sari looks a perfect choice, I feel, for any handloom lover. For any handloom lover. Now, I'll show you the back side of the achal so that you can understand the neatness that we always say. See, this is the neatness. No thread floats, absolutely work done by hand. You can see there are no thread floats, no zari floats. how neatly our weaver and patiently indeed the craftsmanship has been done over this sari. And yes, the sari comes with lab testing certificate wherein the warp and weft will be tested and certified. Now we'll move on to another beautiful, extraordinary Assam Tasar silk. This is the second Assam Tasar. Look at it. A gorgeous piece. Absolutely gorgeous. A piece that will take your heart away for sure. This Assam Tasar has been mainly crafted with golden zari and multicolor buttas are there. Multicolor yarns has been used. Now, I really can't make out with what should I start, the palla or the body, because the buttas in the body, the palla has been done so beautifully, and the design motif is absolutely vintage. I think the theme of this video is vintage, is absolutely vintage for people who love old classics, people who love traditions. They will love this two beautiful handcrafted Assam Tasar silk undoubtedly. Now look at this palla. The archel has been crafted absolutely intricately. You can see how beautiful the craftsmanship has been done on the palla with golden zari and multicolor yarn. There are different colors of thread that has been used as meena. We have used green, bottle green, yellow, maroon, black. Oh my God, so many colors, and it is so classic again. You know, there at times we have seen when we use zari and too much of yarn, it becomes too clingy. But this sari is not that at all. It is absolute classic. It's a classic piece. I'll again show you the palla. Rather, I'll give you a closer glimpse of the achal so that you can understand more properly how is the design motif and the intricacy of it involved while weaving the sari. This is the achal portion. And now the buttas. The entire sari has got Parvati motif. I have explained earlier in my earlier videos, which is a Parvati motif. If you are not aware of it, you can watch my earlier videos. You'll come to know. And here also I'll show you what are Parvati motifs. Parvati motif is the name of a motif which is very traditional, very unique. It looks like a pot. Okay, this is how Parvati motif looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. It has been crafted with golden zari and multicolor yarn in the meena. See, this is the entire sari. Oh God. It is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. You can drape this sari in any festival, in any of the wedding occasion or any beautiful parties you're attending. See, as we go to the inner side, the design buttas in the body are placed farther off from each other. Okay, this is how the entire sari looks. And I hope as I unfold the sari, you have made out the texture and the fineness of this tassa. And this comes with this kind of borders which we will stitch over the sari. Okay, these are the border portion. An absolute traditional piece. And look at this blouse piece. The blouse piece has got this sleek four panel kind of designs that we have done, which you can craft very beautifully. You can design it very beautifully. I think if you're wearing a boat neck kind of a blouse, you can put the border on your shoulder or you can place it over your hand sleeves. It'll look so gorgeous. So this is the sari, a vintage motif, absolutely gorgeous looking sari with a very good quality tassar. A very good quality tassar. Trust me, these tassars are such that will last for years and years and years. It is unlike those tassars that you get in market at a quite a low price, which after few washes it gets torn apart, or you're not able to, enjoy the feel of tassar. This is absolutely like a bottle of wine, which will cherish more and more, which you will cherish more and more as it grows old. So why wait when you can have this kind of beautiful Assam Tasar silk saris right from our loom, right? So this sari, yes, comes with lab testing certificate wherein the warp and weft is tested and certified. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to book any of these two or you want to book either of it, you can contact us at 789-6541489. We do ship worldwide. Our shipping in India is absolutely free, and for people living out of India, shipping is applicable. And one more notice for all the boutique owners and shop owners who are looking for authentic Assam handloom with best of the best quality, please do contact us. We'll be very happy to associate with you and be a part of your journey also. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I hope we are doing justice and by showing you all the craftsmanship that our viewers do. And please do not forget to like, share, and comment. People who are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you once again for watching our videos.